Today I'm coming to you with a Loba Garage tech tip. I am working on a bolt that is almost inaccessible. What the factory did is they shoved an exhaust pipe directly in front of the bolt that holds the starter on. So you can't take it out without taking off the exhaust system. Or so they thought. This right here is the bell housing flange. That right there is the ear of the starter. This is the exhaust pipe, and you're supposed to fit a bolt there. And of course, there's no way at any angle you're going to get that bolt to fit in there. So what I've done is I've taken a carriage bolt from the back side. Now I've installed the starter. I'm going to thread that bolt through till it protrudes out of the starter, slide the nut up in there, and then I'll be able to tighten down the starter without removing the exhaust pipe. And now we have some thread showing, so we're going to try to put our nut on. Imagine trying to do this with a bolt. That would just be crazy. I don't know why anyone would design a car like this. But it is a Laforza. Okay, I've got the nut threaded on the stud. I'm gonna drive the threads all the way through it and then tighten her down. We're just gonna go until we see threads coming out of the nut. Oh, I can feel the threads coming out through. Then tighten it down. Now a nice Allen set screw that was real long would be ideal because they're real strong, but this works. And we have the starter bolted on without taking the exhaust off. And we have a win. We have gotten the stud through, got the nut on it, and the starter is attached, and I never took that stupid exhaust system off this stupid Laforza. I bet I'm going to have more tech tips on this car because this thing is miserable.